And now to the details of the story I told you about. India's shooting sensation Manu Bhaker has clinched bronze in the women's 10-meter air pistol shooting event. She has officially opened India's account in the Paris Olympics. So big news coming in, good news coming in for India, with Manu Bhaker opening India's medal account. For more details, it's over to you, Karishma.
Well, it's absolutely, Dipti. It has been a landmark moment for India at the Paris Olympics. Last two Olympics, we were drawing a blank in shooting, but today Manu Bhaker has done it. She has won the bronze medal for India. She has opened India's medal tally, and she had very, very tough competition from two shooters, and now she has won the bronze medal. And we've seen pictures. I'm here at the venue, and I can tell you that this is the first time after Tokyo Olympics I have seen a big smile on Manu Bhaker's face. She was very, very determined after the disappointment in Tokyo. Remember, she had a pistol malfunction in Tokyo as well, and she has since matured, and today she has opened India's medal tally with a much, much deserved bronze medal. And now, of course, we are waiting to speak to her. We are waiting to see what her emotions are, how she is feeling at this moment. Like I said, she's smiling, she's beaming. She was holding the India flag and standing in front of all of us. So, of course, a big moment, a huge moment for Manu Bhaker and for the entire country.
All right, but is there also some sort of a heartbreak because she could only manage a bronze?
Well, Priya, like I said, very, very tough competition for her from South Korea. Gold and silver has gone to them, and she was there in the fray. She managed to be number 2 as well a couple of times, but she is very, very young. She will, of course, learn from this experience as well. Give her time. We are also, going to be talking about her at the next Olympics in 2028, and who knows that she is going to go better, one bigger, and, get the medal for India that we want.
All right. Thank you, Karishma, for joining us with those details. Now, big news coming in for India from Paris Olympics. The first medal already in India's tally, and this medal has come courtesy Manu Bhaker, who has managed to clinch a bronze. Like Karishma was telling us, it is just the beginning for her as well as for the Indian contingent. There are many more successes to come.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.